Hello, my name is Paranoid, and now I'll show you how to make a vocal track for a song that doesn't have it. Well, this song doesn't have vocal tracks, and I really want to sing it, so normally the bass song track, in the MIDI, the bass track is the most similar to the vocals. So I can change this bass track and make it perfect vocals. So let me open it in Anvil. First I find here in View, Mixer. So I look for the track that I want to change. I want to change the bass track. It's this track here, and it starts at 15 seconds. So let's go to 15 seconds here, and I change the view to piano roll editor, and I adjust the zoom so I can see everything. I change here and I found it. It's here. This is the beginning of the bass track. I can hear it. In this part, this song, the vocals didn't start. The vocals starts now. So if it will be a vocal track, I need to erase this part where there is no vocals. But before I make any change in this bass track, I don't want to fuck my MIDI, so I will clone this track. Clicking track, clone. Then I can rename it the cloned track with a new name. It will be the vocals. So now I have a track that I can spoil and do any shit, and I will not fuck the original MIDI. So let's pay attention again. I will make a good change in this track to make it suitable for vocals. So it's a good video to learn about something very interesting. So this part will be erased. And the vocal starts now. So exactly here, these black lines are important because it's the end of each tempo of the song. So usually I cut in the black lines. It's easier. Normally it will work. And so I select here all I want to make silent and edit, delete section, not time, only make silent. If I delete including time, I will fuck the song, so only make it silent. So let's go there again. And of course, can you see that it's too fast for a vocals. It's not a vocals, it's a bass track. It's very fast. So of course it cannot be a good vocal. So how to change this very fast short notes for slow long notes? How to do this easily, automatically, without deleting and clicking everything and making longer notes, and no, of course not. It's too much work. So I will make this shit and let's do the right thing. Okay, I will select the track. Actually, I think I don't even need to select because I will change all the tracks, so I don't need to select. I could select, I want to make only these notes longer and slower, so I could select here and make this part different. But no, I want to change all the track this time, so I don't need to select anything. I only track and here, quantize entire track. I could make it with all tracks in the song, but no, I only want to make this vocal. So the entire track and quantize notes duration. You see why it's not suitable for vocals. Fucking 16 duration notes are very fast, very short. So I change here for a quarter note. So it will be, instead of it will be da 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 da, I believe. So quarter note and okay, and the magic is done. But I only want half notes. I don't know why I made quarter. You know, and besides, I noticed that now that I made this change, there is probably a problem here. You see, in this part, I don't know why. You know, when the Anvil made the change to make these notes longer, something wrong happened, and maybe this part, you know, two notes are played at the same time here. They are, I don't know why it happened. So, but I'm sure that it will cause you a problem. I can hear it. Actually, I don't hear the problem, but anyway, I want to undo this shit and try again with a quarter notes, because a quarter notes is what I want. So track, quantize, and try track, quarter note. Oh, it's already quarter notes. What the fuck? I don't know. Oh no, not quarter note. I want half notes. Why? There is no half notes available here. I don't know. I want half notes only. And I don't know why. You can adjust many things here, but I only want to change for half note. Well, I don't know why, but it cannot be done in this song. So, oh yeah, no. To begin, no. I don't know. Only quarter in this song. Okay, so yeah, but anyway, I see this problem. I hope this problem, I can fix it manually if I want. I click delete and put another note here. I can make it longer to be the same, or I can change here and make it the size that I want. Oh no, this is the grid. I want to change the notes, not the grid. So it's here. So when I click, it will be, you know, the same. But here we have another problem, two notes at the same time, and I think all the track will be this way. So in this case, I will need only to here, and maybe I need to fix manually all these parts where the notes are not perfect. Probably if I only fix all these parts, it will be perfect. I don't even need to hear, because I can see that this is a problem. So it's an easy problem to fix. Only takes a lot of time. Fortunately, I could change the duration of the notes automatically of the entire track. I am not totally satisfied because these notes are a quarter and I wanted a half. But I can easily do this manually, one by one. You know, I want a half. Okay, so I right click here in the middle and I join the notes. You see, now it's a half. Now here is a division. Now I can do the same, right click, join the notes, and another half. So when I play this part, it's now you hear 4, and in this part you hear only longer 2 notes, like I want for all the track. Pay attention. It's hard to understand now because we have all the other tracks play at the same time. But of course, if I want to hear only this track, so I will hear it perfectly, it's very easy. I only click here in view, mixer, and then here I can make all the volumes, muted or quieter or something. Sometimes it's not possible because of any restriction, but I can try and see what happens. Okay, it worked, And of course, if I want to see these tracks in the MIDI file when I open it with Maestro later, when I will start doing the ABCs to play in Lotro, I will need, of course, to make it all louder again. And this auto mix, if you to make music in Lotro, I can disable this auto mix. I can make as louder as I can. At the end, I can make it everything louder, so I can adjust in Maestro. And I want, especially theorbo tracks are usually take quiet, so normally I try to make it louder. So okay, I'm changing this track here, and I want it loud. The other tracks I don't want to hear, so now I will hear only the track that I am editing. So I go to view, piano editor again, adjust the fucking zoom again. Every time the shit I need to adjust again, and I will hear perfectly now. And these are problems that I will need to fix manually one by one, later. But now I only want to show how you will hear this track and this part that I joined the 2 notes and made them longer. So pay attention. Here is 4, and here will be my change. Yeah, it's easy to, not so easy because it's a terrible track, so it's quiet, but it's very cool. It's perfect. Again, pay attention. I can hear the notes perfect. Yeah, this is it. So this is what you need to do. You need to do in order to adapt a bass track to make it suitable for a vocal track. In some cases, of course, the bass track is not so similar as the vocals of the song, and of course, the vocals will be not exactly like the bass track. In this case, I have chords and many details, but I think with these vocals with this track I will make only the male track that I will use a horn to make, and the details of the jar and female voices and everything I will make with a flute or a clarinet or something else, because I tried to make it all with one instrument and it didn't work. Usually it doesn't work to make with male and female with the same instrument. But when you want to use few instruments, when you have a small band, for an example, it's not my case, but sometimes you need to use less instruments. But okay, this is it. I will need to fix everything manually, one by one. There is no other way because it's too much problems. You know, I didn't even try it, but it's obvious that there are some problems. But this is the way and besides, I will need to fix all this shit manually, and also to join all these fucking quarter notes because I want half, and it will take hours. So I can listen to any cool song, and start this shit. We spend hours, but there is no other way to make it. And once I finish it, these male vocals, I will show you now, because it will take hours. So, well, when I finish this shit, I will need to make the female vocals. So I go to view again and maybe find any suitable track for female vocals. Actually, I need to remember how is the female part. Looking at Maestro again. So let me see. The girl sings. Oh yeah. The girl sings two parts while the man sings this that I am making now there. So the easiest way is this, Well, let me see exactly the time where the girl sings. Now, in 35 seconds, the girl says two things. So I will need now. This is a male vocals, and actually I didn't want to make another vocal track, but I would need to do this if I want this song perfect. So let me rename this track because this is now only the male vocals, and I will need to fix yet that all this shit. And now I will clone these vocals because it's better than the bass track, of course. I already made the notes longer and everything. So what the fuck? I wish there was a easier way, but okay. Let me clone this track again, rename it will be female vocals. So I go to 35 seconds, right? Yes. 35 seconds. Now I change the view. I know the track is correct. It's this track I want to change. I go to piano editor, change the zoom, the lines and everything. And here I go to the parts that I want to see. Here is when the vocals start, because I already erased it, the previous part that was the only the hearable bass before. Okay, this is the man vocals, but now I need to change it and make it the girl vocal. So the man will sing. And now the girl will sing. I can hear all the notes here. If you don't know how the person sings, it's impossible to make it perfect. But if you have an idea about which notes to use, so you can give it a try. Maybe, I don't know, because this is fucking weird, fucking terrible track. Of course, I could change the track and make another instrument, you know. Now I don't remember exactly. Yeah, maybe here I can change the fucking instrument, you know. I can make many things, but I don't want to waste my time, so. Uh, mm, I think this backing vocals is more or less this way. It's probably wrong, of course, because it's my first try. You know, I need to have an idea about how this song is. Probably it's totally wrong, but we can try. So let's hear how this thing is. Of course, after I make the go, I will delete the man. Yeah, it's kind of weird. But you know, it will take some time to make it perfect. But I understood that the first note must be longer. And we try again. It's almost good. Nama, oh Nama. So, of course, the O is shorter. What the fuck? I can adjust the zoom every time. It's hard to do this shit. So, I want the last Nama longer to be cool. Let's hear it. Oh no, the backing vocal starts earlier. Here is totally fucked up, totally wrong. I know, so I only edit, delete, or make silent. Uh, doesn't it doesn't delete the time, so. And then base special merge. Oh, it's, you can see that I pasted this shit in a totally wrong position, so I can undo, and it's here the right position. I do it again, merge, and the magic is done. It's perfect, I know it, so I only continue including these backing vocals in all the parts that I know that she sings. Here is another part. I can see that's in the right position. So I check Maestro again. After she sings here, what happens? The girl, ah, the girl also sings in this part. There is a backing vocals, and this is my female voice. I will delete this because it's male, but this is my first female voice. So I will delete here, here, and I will let this part here the way it is because it's probably good enough. So I don't need to change this part. So I will only copy here and include here and here where I know that she sings again. Let's see exactly the time. Now 3 minutes 1 second she sings, so I go to 3 minutes and 1 second. It's here. It's correct. And here again. And it's done. I think after this part there is no more backing vocals. Okay, so now it's done, but of course I will spend hours and hours copying all this part. No, and this part is copied, but now I need to spend hours and hours actually, deleting all this shit. Take a look at it. And now I am enjoying the male vocals with horn. Of course, I prefer to use in this kind of songs horn than fucking clarinet for male vocals. The problem is only because I will use for bass guitars. Actually, this part of the song, the vocals is a little bit different. But I will not try to make many manual changes. I already make 1,000 shit manually, but yes, like maybe this part is so perfect. I want to hear it forever. I can't get enough of hearing these beautiful parts. I will never finish this song. Maybe I will spend years only repeating these parts. What the fuck, I'm tired, but this part is also very, very beautiful. And in this part, it's not a problem to use the bass guitar and vocals together. Only in all the rest. So let's try a clarinet now. Oh God, I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this. I don't want to use the clarinet for male vocals. This part, any instrument is perfect. But here maybe I need to, of course I will need to duplicate the clarinet if I want to use it. And make it much louder because clarinet in low pitch sounds like shit. Yeah, but if I really want to use the clarinet, I will need to make these male vocals better because it doesn't sound like a voice, but like a fucking theorbo with longer notes and with a clarinet playing it. And besides this part are fourth notes, not half notes. I will need to fix anyway and make all half notes like I did here. No, I didn't. I don't know, but I did here. Here I made all perfect, and here I don't remember. Yes, because here it's not supposed to be half but 3 and in different durations. This is a totally different part. This is 4 notes but in different times another. Well, a lot of work to do, so this is it. I think I was clear. I hope you understand more or less how to transform a basson track into different vocal tracks, male and female, making the main vocals and the backing vocals. And I didn't finish because it would take hours to finish, so this is it. See ya.